Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You will begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. You must identify the exact model and current firmware, because wrong firmware can brick devices. Once done, export or note your configuration and save a backup locally. Make sure to preserve SSID, passwords, and custom settings. Next, download the manufacturer firmware image that matches your model, and verify file integrity by checking size and checksum, so the update can proceed without corrupted data. You will now carry out the complex middle steps that actually install the update. First, access the admin interface or maintenance mode. This gives you the safe path for upgrades. Then upload the verified firmware file. Do not close the browser or cut power, because interruption can leave the device unusable. Once the upload completes, let the device reboot fully. Make sure to watch status LEDs and wait for services to start before testing connectivity and logging back in. You finish by restoring settings and validating operation, and you get one essential troubleshooting tip. After reboot, restore your saved configuration or manually reconfigure wireless SSID, encryption keys, and firewall rules, because defaults may change. Then test several clients, run speed and stability checks, and confirm advanced features work. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Use the device recovery or safe flash mode, and reflash the correct firmware backup. This recovery step often rescues devices after interrupted or wrong updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.